Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free epic skin for the newest event, the Ocean Break. So what you need to do is click the banner events at the left of your screen. This is the new event that happening right now, Dawn Break events. So click the events. As you can see, the top reward is the free epic skin. This one, the manta ray summer sunset. This is a manta ray in the summer sunset uniform. This is the newest free epic avatar that you can get from this uh, ocean break event. What you need to do is complete the tasks that will be refreshed daily. As you can see, for example, this task is eliminate 10 enemies with any weapon, and you can get a token, the rangefinder token. And after you get this token, you can click this explore nearby, and also after click the explore nearby, you can redeem the token with the some rewards. Okay, until you can collect it in 1200 token, and then after 1200 token you can get this epic avatar skin. It is for free, uh, and also you can explore distance area by completing this golden task, like for example, like play to rank multiplayer matches for today, and also you can enter top 10 launch in battle royale for today. Okay, that's it for me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.